Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tuesday. And now I'm just gonna open up my laptop and get to work. Oh my gosh, I'm so annoyed. My HDMI cord is the worst. I have to get it in such a specific position for it to work every day. So I might get a new one later today. We'll see. Okay, I just placed an order on Amazon. I got this HDMI cord. I did not get the most popular one because that's the one I have now and it broke, so I don't trust it. So I got a different one. An espresso because I'm out, and some deodorant because I'm also running low on that. So yay. Hey, I just got back from the gym where I did a nice easy workout. I hadn't been there in a bit, so it was nice to get back into that. And then I bopped over to CityMD, which is where I got a COVID test because I'm going to see my friend this weekend. So I just wanted to get a COVID test to be 100% sure before I visit her, just to stay safe, you know. That was super fast. I feel like I've had definitely a mixed bag of experiences at CityMD, but that was definitely a good one. And now I'm just gonna shower and get my day started. So let's do it. I thrifted this jacket in the video that I posted of Weekend in My Life, so you should watch that if you want to know where I got it. Okay, if you hear that background noise, that's my computer whirring. I'm building my code again, but I got dressed. I look a little better. It's a super sunny day outside. It's still, though, below freezing, but it looks really nice, so that was deceptive. I'm thinking of going outside for lunch or something like that. Now it is 10:57 and my stand-up is at 11, which I'm leading this month, so I actually have to be on time and run that meeting for us, so I'm preparing a little bit for that. I've run into an issue in some code that I'm writing, so I'm gonna hopefully pair with someone on my team later to try to figure that out, and yeah, that's how my day's starting off. Oh, and my HDMI cord is officially broken, so I can't use my monitor today, which is sad, but we live and we learn. Okay, I'm silly. I forgot that on days where we have sprint planning, which is where we plan out all the work we're gonna do for the next 2 or 3 weeks, we don't have stand-up. But it's still in my calendar. We should really get rid of that meeting. But so there's no stand-up today, so I don't have to lead that. And since my code is still building, I think I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast. Okay, so I just had an ad hoc meeting with my manager about something that we're working on, which is pretty exciting and I'm looking forward to. But first I need to figure out this bug in my code, which is super annoying. And basically the entire system that I'm working with won't build and I don't know why. So I'm rebuilding it now. I'm hoping that that will work and make it build. But in the meantime, I think I'm actually gonna work a little bit on my personal website. So yeah, that's getting a revamp and you'll see the final product soon. But I'm just gonna work a little bit on that since I have to wait for all of my code to rebuild anyway. And I don't have that much to do right now while it's doing that. So let's get started. My currently have my computer here. I'm trying to get this thing to work. I'm trying to debug my issue. It's a little challenging and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm a little hungry, but I was able to fix my bug from earlier, so that's no longer an issue. So now I can go ahead and find, it was like a bug preventing me from finding another bug. So now I can go ahead and try to find the real bug in my issue. And I just found it. There's this function that's supposed to return everything and it's returning nothing. Now I'm just texting my coworker, not texting, slacking him, telling him that I found the issue and this is what it is. And okay, I think I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes. I've been addicted to it. It's really simple. It's just beans. I sound so basic, but I'm just gonna make some beans for lunch. I put them in this herb oil that I make and it's got chives, cilantro, and basil in it. So it's really yummy. I highly recommend it. I'll leave the recipe in the description. It's really good and it's pretty healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that for lunch and just see what my coworker says about this issue that we're having currently. It's currently 1:26. I'm just eating my beans. It looks gross, but it's really tasty. Highly recommend trying this recipe. It also takes like 10 minutes to make, so it couldn't be easier. I'm just watching some vlogs now. I was just watching Trey Kennedy. I think he's super funny. If you don't watch him, I really like him. But yeah, I have retro at 1:30, which is where we review the previous sprint and see how it went and stuff. So I'm just kind of waiting around for that because I don't want to start work for 4 minutes. And yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, retro just ended. It was super short because we had a good sprint, so there wasn't a lot to talk about. Now we're having someone new join my team, which is really, really exciting, and I'm helping come up with the first project that they're working on. So I'm just writing up a document that sort of goes through what they're going to be working on, what the point of it is, so that they can read it when they onboard and everyone can sort of be on the same page about what they're working on when they start. Okay, I just had sprint planning with my team, which is where we plan out what we're gonna do for the next few weeks. We're actually having a hackathon in the middle of that, so there wasn't too much work we had to plan out just because that's gonna take up some time as well. Now you can see I was eating some peanut butter cups. I keep them in the fridge and then I eat them and they're nice and cold. So I would recommend that, but I have such a sweet tooth, so I can't keep stuff like that around all of the time. Now I'm just working from bed because hashtag work from home. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my code to build, and after that happens, I'm gonna go over to my friend Iris's house. I feel like from these videos, it looks like I have one friend and it's Iris and my roommate Sarah. So yeah, but I'm gonna go over to her apartment and we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then get dinner together, which I think will be fun. So I'm just waiting for my stuff to finish up. But yeah, in other news, there's exciting things coming down the pipeline with my channel, which I'm really looking forward to, and a video that I'm gonna make soon, which I think will be juicy and interesting. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go finish up the rest of my day and let's get to it. This year, but it varies in time, so I'm gonna be breaking down all the components and also let you know what you can expect.